Sometimes small things can make a big difference. I'm here in Singapore and today I want to show you a very simple piece of technology that is making a big difference here at Siam Coconut. They offer everything from coconut water, coconut meat, coconut jelly, and even coconut husk bowls. It's a busy place here at Siam Coconut as they process the various coconut-based products down on the manufacturing floor. But of course those products need to be taken to market and they deliver these via a fleet of trucks that are out on the road and drivers out on the road. But there's a little piece of Zebra technology that's helping them manage the various processes that are happening here at Siam Coconut. What's that product? It's a mobile printer. They're using the ZQ511 and the ZQ521 Zebra mobile printers here at Siam Coconut, and they use them for a number of reasons, as the team were telling me earlier. The first step in their process is to print out lists of products that have been loaded into the back of the trucks for delivery. So the teams of guys load the trucks up and then the driver can print out a list once the truck has been loaded. Then after that, the drivers will go out, deliver the products, and out there in the field, they're able to print receipts and invoices for the customers right there on the spot. Joining me is Kelvin, the General Manager of Siam Coconut. Kelvin, thanks for joining me.
My pleasure.
Kelvin, you've implemented Zebra mobile printers here. What was the business need that led you down the path to get these printers?
I think there's a portion of the business that's van sales. So my guys are on the road, they are calling the customers up and they have all these ad hoc sales that they need to generate. They need to print invoices on the go. So that's where the mobile app comes in, and with the mobile app you need to have a printer that's handy for us to generate all these invoices on the go.
Kelvin, you mentioned that you're using the mobile printers to print invoices out in the field. How else are you using the mobile printers here?
On top of printing invoices out on the field, we also use them like in the morning when the drivers load stocks into the van, they print out a receipt and get the inventory guys to sign off on it as well. So it's a kind of like a accountability thing. So we use the printers to add on this layer of audit in a way.
It's always a big decision to decide what to invest in, what technology to invest in. When it came to choosing a mobile printer, what were you looking for?
Definitely the features and the service support from the company. And most importantly, we are looking for a rugged printer because our guys are on the go. They are definitely not going to be gentle with the machines. So we are looking for something that's rugged and that's something with long battery life. The previous printer that we ever had a very poor battery life and we had problems looking for parts for it. So Zebra, with a local team and newer features and with its rugged outlook, definitely fits what we're looking for.
The question that everybody wants to ask is, what is the benefit that you've experienced as a result of moving to mobile printing?
With more printing, we definitely save a lot of time in terms of the generation of the receipt. We don't need to be writing on a triplicate invoice. We can print it on the go, print it fast. We can print it double copies for the customer for our own keeping. And definitely there's improvement in terms of productivity, improvements in terms of time saving as well.
Let me tell you about the ZQ511 and 521 mobile printers that are being used here at Siam Coconut. This is the 511 in my hand, the smaller of the two units that can print up to 3-inch wide media, whereas the 521 can do up to 5-inch media. These devices have been designed for the enterprise. They've been designed for everyday use, so they're rugged, they're weatherproof, they can be dropped to concrete and survive. But some important features that I love about these two products is long battery life. It's very important that these printers work for the entire day, the entire shift, and that's exactly what they're doing here at Siam Coconut. But of course, connectivity is important. Here they're using the Bluetooth connectivity to connect to their devices. So all in all, a great compact solution, a lightweight solution that is adding a lot of value here at Siam Coconut.
Orange Cloud, under the umbrella of MSC Consulting, has helped Siam Coconut to implement their back-end ERP systems and also digitalize their front-end processing with the various mobile applications such as the customer self-ordering app, the warehouse management app, and the delivery app. With the introduction of the Zebra handheld mobile printers into the functions of the delivery app, the Siam Coconut delivery team can now deliver goods, validate online, get the customers to endorse on the delivery orders, and also print out the delivery receipt instantaneously on the spot and deliver to the customers. This has helped to reduce the entire delivery order processing cycle tremendously and with high accuracy.
So I want to talk a bit about what a mobile printer can assist you to achieve as it is here at Siam Coconut. It's all about process refinement, reducing the touch points of human intervention to get work done. No longer do teams need to print everything back in the office. They can do it on the run in the field using a mobile printer. So as they're doing here at Siam Coconut, it could be anything from purchase orders to receipts, invoices. All your printing needs can now be managed via a mobile printer on site in real time, no more mucking around back at the office. Think about what that can do for your operational processes. There's an ERP solution and a mobile application supplied by Orange Cloud that underpins the business here at Siam Coconut. And as you can imagine, adding in a mobile printer is helping them to streamline a lot of processes. Now the delivery driver themselves are empowered to achieve more very, very efficiently and very, very simply at the press of a button. It's reducing the workload on the in-office staff and allowing the drivers to get on with the job and give that customer that receipt, that acknowledgement right there in the field. Well, there you have it, a simple mobile printing solution that's making a big difference here at Siam Coconut. Now, if you want to find out more about mobile printing, the Zebra range of mobile printers, just jump online, visit zebra.com. Cheers. Not bad, this coconut water.